Have you ever wondered how Java is used in real-world applications? Well, today is your lucky day, because this video will demystify the basics of Java for you. Java, a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language, is a favorite among developers around the globe. It's versatile, efficient, platform-independent, and great for building robust applications. But before delving into the intricacies of Java, it's important to understand the core concepts that form its foundation. The first concept to grasp is variables. Think of a variable as a name given to a storage area in your computer's memory. It holds different types of data like integers, characters, decimal numbers, and more. In Java, every variable must have a specific data type, for instance, int for integer, char for character, and so on. Next up is operators. These are special symbols that perform specific operations on 1, 2, or 3 operands, and then return a result. They are used to perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then, we have conditional statements. These are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. The if-else statement is a classic example of a conditional statement in Java. It helps in deciding the flow of the program based on certain conditions. Moving on, we have loops. Loops are used when you want to execute a block of code repeatedly. The while loop, for instance, continues to execute a block of code as long as a specific condition is true. Another important concept in Java is arrays. An array is a collection of similar type of elements that have a contiguous memory location. They are used when we want to store multiple values of the same data type. Functions, also known as methods, are blocks of code that perform a specific task. They are used to achieve modularity and reusability in your code. Lastly, let's talk about classes and objects. A class is a blueprint from which individual objects are created. An object, on the other hand, is an instance of a class. They are fundamental to understanding object-oriented programming in Java. In this video, we've covered the basic concepts of Java, starting from what variables are, moving on to operators, conditional statements, loops, arrays, functions, and finally, classes and objects. Remember, learning a programming language is like learning a new language. It requires time, patience, and a lot of practice. So don't get discouraged if you don't get it all at once. So, to sum it up, Java is a powerful, versatile programming language with a multitude of applications. It's not just about writing codes, it's about creating something functional and meaningful. So keep learning and keep exploring. And remember, the only limit is the one you set yourself. Happy coding!